back to my channel. My name is Steph Castelein. I'm with the Each Day Slow blog, and today I want to talk about registering and purchasing a domain name using GoDaddy. GoDaddy was the first service I used to register and purchase my first domain name. I've never had any problems with them, and they have great customer service. Actually, one of my domain names that I didn't use anymore renewed after a year automatically, and I called them up the next day and they canceled and refunded it completely. So their customer service has always been great for me. I would recommend them to you guys as well, so I'm going to show you more in just a second, but first I want to mention two things. I have done a lot of videos lately on a domain name, if you actually need one, what they look like, what they mean, how much they cost. Also, if yours is taken, how to use modifiers to change it up and find one that's available for you. If you haven't seen those videos, I go into way more detail and I break down domain names, so be sure to give them a watch. But real quickly, if you are using the free option for your blog and you are looking to upgrade to then have a custom domain name, your web hosting provider might include a free domain name in your upgrade. So look for that. What I'm saying is you don't have to go through GoDaddy. If you purchase a premium plan on Wix and it includes a free domain name, then that's just included in the pricing and you don't have to pay for this separately. So be sure to look at that if you're thinking about upgrading. And then two, GoDaddy isn't the only place that you can register and purchase a domain name. There's a bunch of different services out there, and I will link down below a blog article that compares some of the different ones, and then you can pick the one that's right for you. But I'm going to show you more about GoDaddy. It's the first one I used and I would recommend them, like I've said like 3 or 4 times. So anyway, gonna show you guys what this looks like. Okay, here I am on GoDaddy.com. So what I'm going to do is put in my domain name. Now, I found one that is available on my modifier video that I was super excited about, so I know this one is available, but this is where you can see, it'll tell you if it is or is not available. So let's put in GoCookStuff.com. As you can see, GoCookStuff.com is available. That's great news. Brilliant name for a blog slash website, I might add. I've said this throughout my other videos. I'm pretty proud of it, but love that. It also gives you available alternate domains that you can purchase. So if yours is not available, go ahead and look at that option. It's pretty self-explanatory, but I'm walking you through it. So we'll add it to our cart, and then we'll actually go to our cart, continue to cart up here. GoDaddy already has this privacy and protection option marked. I go to no thanks. I also don't want to start my website. I just figure if you get big enough where your blog needs to be protected, you can always go purchase that option later, but right now you're just worried about being consistent and like getting your blog set up. So I do the no thanks, knowing that it's kind of an added expense. And I also already unclicked the start your website for free here. I just want to purchase my domain name, create an email address that matches. Again, no thanks, it's just another added expense. These are great options to look into if they fit your needs, but right now I don't need this. So I unclicked those, continue to cart. From here, you have to create an account if you don't already have one. And what I want you to see is that over here, you have a time option box. So right now it automatically goes to 2 years. And you can see that it does have a slight price increase, but you can also just mark this for 1 year. So if you're like, you know what, I'm going to commit to 1 year of this blog, see what happens, and then I can renew it if I want to in the future, then you can click that to 1 year. You can also go up to 10 years, where it will save you some money by buying all at the same time. So just make sure that you have that clicked to the amount of time that is ideal for you. Again, it gives you a privacy and protection option, so make sure, look, $12 a year, I guess 18 cents for taxes and fees. $12.17 for a full year for my domain name. That's awesome. Okay, so I'm going to log into my account because I already have one. And then here, I have this marked out for my own protection, but you can see the payment options. You can see you enter your billing information. And then right here again is your items. So I want the GoCookStuff.com for 1 year, and I just press complete purchase. That's it. Those are the steps to registering and purchasing a domain name on GoDaddy. So I can take that domain name, enter it into my web hosting, and when people search for that, they enter GoCookStuff.com, my website will show up. So that's all it is. It's actually pretty straightforward. The hardest part is coming up and deciding on the blog name and then making sure it's available as a domain name. So guys, thanks for being here today and walking through this with me. If you have any questions, let me know below. I would love to help out any way that I can. Be sure to subscribe, like, share with a friend if you would. I would really, really appreciate that. You guys are the best. Thanks for being here today. We'll talk to you guys again soon. Bye!